right, guys.
Well, it's hard.
Welcome back. What a beautiful day today.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, we're here in Lajes. Today's actually São Pedro
It is.
Day. And there's been some celebration the last 2-3 days in a few different villages, but the main one is here in Lajes. As you can see, the marina is right behind us. And hopefully you guys are doing well. And we are going to go for a walk. We decided to do a walk today.
Yeah, we just had lunch.
We just had lunch. It's very nice. The ocean's amazing. And aside from some indoor work we had to do, we've been trying to get outdoors. Before starting our walk, I knew São Pedro. Today is the main day here in Lajes. They're actually already started as a procession. There's going to be some events happening throughout the day. We'll try to just videotape a few things so you guys can see. But other than that, we're going to go on a walk. But before doing so, we went to a beautiful event, like I mentioned earlier on this video. We were going to wait to do that. We were going to wait to release that video, but actually it was released before you're seeing this because it needed to be. Right?
Yes, because we already had it done, and I can edit it easily.
Yeah, and it fit into the timeline, and we decided to kind of put this, so this one will precede that.
Actually, I'm wearing the hat from
that. It's the 25-year anniversary of Pico Island.
75 years.
Yeah, this is a great spot, great event again. I'll put the link to that video. Okay, check it out. If you love,
the wine was amazing.
Amazing, the whole night, the entertainment.
Yeah, so if you haven't seen that video, definitely check it out.
We're gonna go on our walk now. You just have to be outside on days like this. Who knows? Maybe we'll go for a swim. But we'll take you along just for this little walk. You can see what get a little taste of what the day is like today. And just our road here, and I can show you our house. See how close we are to the water. Sometimes it's hard to know when we're filming from the house. Right there. Yeah, that's why we can hear the water. It's actually Laura walking down there. She got too hot. You have to go back. It is hot. I'm not going to do this for too long either. It is quite hot. I don't think I'm got the hat on, but I have to be careful with the sun. If it's too much. Whew. Started reaching almost midway. If you are around and you are doing this walk, just be careful with the cars on the main road. But the whole walk is just amazing views of the ocean, more or less. Lots of cane. This is like bamboo, type of bamboo, pretty evasive. Hope you guys are enjoying the walk. You can even hear the water from here. I've videotaped this so many times, but it's always worth it. Clear the water is. The head, I call that the head. Amazing time for swimming. Pico is covered, the top. It's still beautiful. Not too many people swimming yet, but there will be, I'm sure. been a great walk so far. Just a light breeze, even though it's hot. It helps. And I'm going to be turning right soon down to the village. That road goes all the way to the south coast, to Dramatic Coast, towards Piedad. Lots of fields with corn. And we've come from there. Now descending, a little easier. It's a nice park. I think it's the second time I've been here. Great job. Great spot to kind of hang out. You can make your own barbecue, have a picnic, and have everything ready for you. Even a sink. Crazy. And from here you could really get a sense of, oh yeah, gorgeous. How clear the water is. Just makes you jump right from here. Year after year, the quality of the water here in the ocean is top. We got that special flag. Well, we were just up there. We're just coming down this road. Just give you an idea of just how this area is, in the forms of not just the ocean, but the roads. Especially if you're going to be doing a few walks around here. There's always these little canadas like this one, little old road, and winds up in you know, going through these three little houses here. But yeah, I just wanted to just notice this. It's a fig tree coming out of this embankment here of Lajes. It's just growing wild here. Just lots of vegetation. Always, you know, that's why the green is always abundant. We got enough rainfall. See a whaleboat going out, whale watching. This is the lagoon side. It's kind of there's a mix of natural water and salt in this inner part, and the ocean on the outside. I fished it out there a bit on those far rocks. Good fishing, definitely good swimming. But let's go down this pathway, see where it leads us. Part of the hike, part of the walk. Just looking at these rocks, these must have been here for eons. From the beginning of settlement, who knows? There's a ruin here. You do find these once in a while, some of these ruins. A lot of them are being rebuilt. And sometimes it's by locals, people that live here all year round. Sometimes it's by immigrants like myself coming back. And sometimes it's people that fall in love with these islands and decide to live here full or part-time. That decide to, here's a nice picture. Gorgeous. I haven't walked through here in a while. Wow, this is it's too bad, but yeah, some of them just fall down. That's why when I see someone rebuilding these, which is a lot of work and most likely a lot of money as well, I give them kudos. Gotta watch where I step, because these are boulders that were literally used here. Maybe they were already here, who knows. Not all houses are renovated or brand new. You do get some falling down, but it's good to see that the ones that have been renovated, people living there, breathing new life. You know, I love seeing that. And I think it's important for anywhere, but especially in these types of islands. You know, you have so much beauty. You can't let, you know, if you can control it, you don't let them keep updating them, keep upgrading, and renovating. There's some nice bougainvillea here. Right by the sea. Another little park that they've created here. So nice. They have these spots all around the island, in the islands, where people can just pull over and have a picnic. So quiet in here. They even have a set of swings. Oh. All right, we'll end the walk with some information about this area. Whale culture route, Rota da Cultura da Baleia. So it shows you some routes for walks or emergency case. Lajes. So this church is São Pedro, the chapel, 1460, the first built by the first settlers here on Lajes. Sorry if you can't hear me too good, it's the bus, tourist bus just stopped here. But I just thought I'd show you this feast today is about St. Peter, which is here, and you can take a look in Portuguese and English, the history of this beautiful little church. There's people in there right now, but I'll try to get a shot of the church.
Muito bonita, muito original.
Vai sair a procissão, né?
Vai ser a procissão. Às 4h30, quando sai a procissão, com a sua banda de filarmónica. Boa tarde.
Boa tarde, com licença.
Com a banda de filarmónica e depois também vão as pessoas com os azafatos sim, os homens levam os andores e as pessoas de cá vão em procissão, com as senhoras vão com os azafatos à cabeça. Com as esquilhas que parecem as regueifas lá de Tomar, não é? Em Tomar é distribuído regueifas, não é regueifas, são pés de quilo. Pois, estas são regueifas no norte. Ok. Pronto. As regueifas também se fazem nas fogaças.